Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'll be showing you guys another project which we make in reactjs. Basically, this was a project which was given to us in Figma design and we converted it into reactjs. The project basically have both light and dark theme, as you can see, and I will go through the project. In the start, I will tell you that if you want us to make any of your projects, you can contact us on the WhatsApp number which is given in the description or at the start of the video. Now let's start this. You can see that this is a block fund, basically a crypto type of currency type of exchange type of web app, and you can see there are two buttons. I will go to them as well. Basically, this is mostly what the landing page looks like. This is basically the contact us page or ask a question page. It also has very beautiful, you can see, buttons of social links and a footer. Now I will go and click on another on the next page to create invest now. If I click on invest now, you can see another page over here. Now if I show you, basically there are all more pages. One is this page, as you can see, and there's also another page which is this one. So you can pretty much guess what the UI looks like, and the design was given to us in Figma design and we converted it into reactjs. If you like the project and if you like the video, subscribe to the channel and I will see you guys in the next video.